Namaste. I am Dr. Amrita Valembe and this is my channel Mom's Wonder Cookbook. Today is Ganesh Chaturthi. We all will be celebrating this festival with great enthusiasm. Today I am going to welcome Bappa with a special modak. I am going to make ukdiche modak, but yes, in a different style. So let us prepare Lajjatdar Gulkand Modak. To make our Lajjatdar Gulkand Modak, I have taken here 2 katoris of homemade rice flour. Then this is 1/4 katori of powdered jaggery, 1 katori of freshly grated coconut, then 1 cup of milk. I am not going to use any khoya or mawa in the stuffing. Instead, I am going to use milk. Then this is 1/4 katori of Gulkand. Yes, we are going to give it a nice flavor by using Gulkand. Then this is ghee, elaichi powder and a pinch of salt. Now let us first make the stuffing. I have heated my pan and in that I will be adding freshly grated coconut. Let us saute it for a minute. Now I will add jaggery. After mixing jaggery, I will now add milk and we will cook the entire mixture for 5 to 6 minutes. You have to cook it with stirring. You can see that our now mixture is almost done. The milk is going to give it a nice creamy flavor. Now let us add Gulkand. Let us mix it properly. Let us add elaichi powder. We will mix it and then we will switch off the flame. We will now remove it in a bowl and keep it for cooling. Make the ukkad or the covering dough. I have taken one vessel. In that I have added 2 katoris of water. As I have taken 2 katoris of rice flour, I have added 2 katoris of water. To this I will add a pinch of salt and 2 teaspoons of ghee. You can see that our water is now boiling. Now I will add the rice flour. Now we have to stir it. The rice flour and water are now well mixed. Now we will cover it and let it steam for around 3 to 4 minutes. After 5 minutes, I have switched off the flame. I have made one clean cloth wet and in that I am going to remove the ukkad. Kneading this dough is the most important step of preparing modak. So we are going to use this damp cloth so that our kneading becomes easy. The modak, I have taken a ball. To make the ball, we have to apply oil and water to your hand. To make the cover, I have placed this ball in a mold. So you can see that the cover is now ready. Now we have to shape up the petals. Before that, I will first remove this cover from the mold. So now let us add the stuffing. Let us approximate the petals. You can see that a perfect modak is now ready. See how simple it is by using the mold. We will prepare the other modaks in similar fashion. While we are making modaks, we had kept our water for boiling. Our modaks are now ready. Now time to steam them. Now we have kept a sieve on the boiling water. In that we have placed a wet cloth. Now we have placed modak into that cloth. We are going to steam it for around 12 to 15 minutes. We have steamed this modak for around 15 to 20 minutes and now they are ready. See how delicious they are looking. Friends, aren't this modak looking delicious? And yes, they are very simple to make too. Do make them today itself. I'll be sharing with you lot more modak recipes in my future videos. So keep watching. Till then, bye bye friends. Take care, stay healthy.